আমি kan একটা very professional florist লই দে আইন আছে ওকে তো তাই দে ডিমাপুরতে নতুন দোকান খুলি গিন আছে সো দোকানের নাম তো it goes as bud and
Bud and Bloom.
bloom okay so আর তাইলে দি প্রোডাক্টস তুইলে মোস্টলি আমি kan দেখা তুইলে তা তুইলে dry flowers kan আছে okay আর we'll know more from her hi ma'am how are you doing
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the visit.
okay before it na kura gidi koti business school exactly
Well, I need your business to know. Maybe I was working in called Flower Power in Chennai, UK base.
UK based.
That is my company.
International company.
Yes, that is yes.
You'll have more ideas.
Yes.
So when was the first time you tried business in Dimapur?
2022.
Story with you.
2022 February at the Valentine's Day.
14 February.
Yeah, 14 February. It is start Krisha Tatina. Any try out Kurokina, Mala cousin Mokan Milakina, cousin sister Mojan Milakina, any Kurisha. Only it came out really well, actually unexpected. It is Pichide.
Sell visible days.
It is Pichide, my it took continue Kurona keep in a
Fresh flower,
fresh, only fresh.
Only
There
fresh
was
flower.
no dry flower that time. Only fresh I did from Bangalore, no myself. Yeah, yes.
So Nagaland and Dimapur, Manu flower lovers can be serious.
Beshase. After that only I started doing dry flower. My rose can see, for example.
Okay.
This is what I do. I dry the rose flower, fresh flower.
Okay.
In Akna
So
rose
once,
na,
okay, is there a process? It process as any dry banana.
Process as like we spray something so that color doesn't go na like this. It remains. Otherwise, if you don't do, it will become like brown and dark and it falls like that.
You have some
yes, so,
formula.
Yes.
There's a secret.
Yes.
Okay. So, what is the price for this bouquet now?
This one will be like
1,000.
Yeah, 1 to 1.
And when it's fresh?
Pardon me?
Fresh thaka then?
Fresh thagle it will cost 2 ne. Yeah.
2,000.
2,000.
So half the price.
Yeah, half
Okay.
the price.
अच्छा आफ्नो नदी त सबसे कम्ती प्राइस ला किमान reasonable rate.
Yeah. So kumti wala to ito hobo. It's a 200 rupees.
200 rupees.
Yeah, 200 rupees. And this will be if I add like this flower, it will be see another flower like this, it will be 250. That's 250. It. 2 and 250 is the smallest price, like lowest price. I mean, yeah.
Na puchubu to.
No, puchibo, it won't. Until unless you get fed up and throw.
Okay.
So
it lasts long.
Yeah, lasts long.
Okay. Better than plastic.
Yes. Okay. And I don't keep any like artificial flowers here. Yeah.
Flowers. Eco-friendly.
Yeah, all eco-friendly.
Okay. Yes. So one thing, one unique thing about bud and bloom is the basket tahan juntu cholasi to use newspaper las use.
Newspaper, yes.
Can you please let us know?
It's made with newspaper. Fully. There is no like plastic attached to it. It's
all
purely
newspaper.
it's purely newspaper.
Itu newspaper banala sushi. Itu be ekta technique asu, and she's ready to give training also, right?
If there is a chance, yeah.
So if you're interested, na?
Yes.
She's a professional
We can contact,
florist.
yeah.
Okay. Achha, and okay, can we know? Okay, apni decorations party kan garne kine ga?
Yeah, any manu mo ke matile jai. Yeah. I don't run like events and all, but events people takan mo ke matile mo jai. Yeah, mo jai. Kena mula come to kotong kruwa hibo.
So supply is unlimited.
Yeah, if someone needs supply, takan ahead thi mo ke kobo. Itu lobo ko na aru mo ready ko na rakhi.
So apna supply doile direct Bangalore.
Yes. All my flower comes from that.
So yes, in future aro expand kule bhavana ase alag districts ti.
Ite tak to monti na there will be maybe if it goes well na why not that yes why not
so and Instagram this of you can
yes
Instagram
I have a Bud and Bloom Instagram. Yeah,
Instagram.
I have, yes.
Okay, you can follow them in Instagram, Bud and Bloom. Okay, fresh flowers and keep dry
flowers. Yes.
Okay, so decorations can garne pre-order to paijo afni kan. Contact number bhi di dibo.
Yeah.
Screen de dhal dibo afni kan contact number.
Yes.
So that they can call you.
Okay, 98400 64317.
Okay, I'm print bhi dhal diyo. Okay, thank you so much
Okay,
and
okay.
all the
Thank
best.
you.
But yes, do you have any message to the other women entrepreneurs?
Chuto hule bi moi kiba to ekta kure aside ko gina ko ato manu respect kura ajikali na nole iko na kuri man talent thakile bi surum lage ko gina thakile na tola which you have a little also it will vanish. Itubra surum na lagi kena kuru lage.
Mane kiba to kuri bi.
Na kiba to kuri kena khawa lage until unless you can move na it is only tola thing hat bal thakile na just try your best na in what kiti bhala se itu
Kuri na jai.
kuri kena jabi itu hoidibo ma.
Yes, because life goes on.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much and Aru, more update karne subscribe to follow. Thank you.